Which I think semester TFN coach Didi Dramani on the post-match press conference no. Now, even with that, Rich, who say na make us say has players ne say their best fans are away from home, and especially in Kumasi. Say over Ghana Premier League table, now share team or the best away performing team. That team with 22 points. Accra Hearts of Folk. Hearts of Folk have gone to venues be to say Doma, Nanaji Mambedu, Akwakoje, 1 point a few on them. And they've added on yesterday by getting 3 points against Kumasi Asante Kotoko, El Babaya Sports Stadium. And more will be a rain fee. Until a new match in the Kotoko Lusu will fee this season in the Ghana Premier League. They have played 10 games to be unchained with you. See a bobo with you, their Kotoko were unbeaten. But Hearts were the better team when they were going away from home. And that's exactly what they did. Rich, can you believe that out of the games that Hearts about throughout this season were Ghana Premier League? And move 5 pen were conceded. Menkasi were conceded 5 goals. But it's only 5 games and were conceded. And now another game with a clean sheet. Say Agbeshio, say Benjamin Asario, Hearts of Folk managed to get the clean sheet. Which throughout the season, Oma conceded just 7 goals. 7. The second half of the league season. That is how solid the team is. Again, so this Ankomona, you put it in the context of saying a league low scoring. Yes, she goes be there, but a defensively solid and resolute team in a Hearts of Folk. Which me buy na me catch you. Say 2 days ago, Miliko Didi Dramani didn't come on. He told me point clear that he has watched the Kotoko team. And one thing is clear. Kotoko backline or anyone with midfield, especially the backline. Samba penning in ball from. Be happy that. And you say you are almost said that on go. See what Papa is saying is spot on. Almost say that. But 2 things are happening. They are inside players, 10, 8. They don't confidently show to receive the ball under pressure. 2, because all pressure man, I'm first thinking of solution. On problem. He also knew and rich from the crowds of folk players. Obviously, did he catch him throughout the whole week? Say, Bono Muni Kotoko Bono. Because Samba O'Neal is the only confident player who likes to play the football on the ground. Yemfanto from Yembutino. Say, Omunya Bona, they should aggressively press Samba O'Neal. It is Samba and Quadro pressing. It is Kotoko went into the game, it's more or less like a flat 4-3-3. Has a ball more or less like a 4-2-3-1. With and without the ball. And Oshe had set up how they wanted to play the game, the plan in which they went into the game with her. Rich, it was very, very clear. You're making sure, say, when it comes to the ball getting to Kotoko players in San Kwandia, we will press them when we have to. Say, do maybe see a job more longer, your mom more long will win the ball. Mohamed Ali, SCB, consistently, they won all of those balls. To which, that was the first game plan. Let us play. Rich, Mami Chewadi. This is from the opening of the game. You're starting ball now. This is the first action. You're starting ball now. Once the ball goes to Kotoko center back, long.
Oh, boy, see.
Long. So from there, you could see the center back. So okay. Game planner coach catch you. Sahane Besiwa. On the ball long. They are not comfortable keeping the ball. They don't want to make mistakes. Almost no ball will feel. It's a few, and Rich, this is how Hearts of Folk approach every away game they play. You are under pressure to score and beat them. So they allow you to keep the ball. Only a few center backs in the Ghana Premier League are comfortable playing out from the back. Maybe quite comfortable, but if you also a mistake, people will come at you into one. Plus, the other reason is that your pitches in the Ghana Premier League and you're too comfortable to play on the ground with. Into person who form the ball from a Beckham, a Kema Yabajimon, and you're going to be in trouble. Which your ball gave me almost bare 10 minutes. Only one time from build up. And a Samba. And you're confident enough to play this pass. And this is what I'm saying. 20 minutes in here. Kotoko build up. Bonebeka Samba Sano. The two center backs are not even opening up to receive the ball. So he had to play straight into the middle to Walid Fuseni. Which, all you do Walid Fuseni now is Bemujanechi. Took the ball and then they turned over. So it was a very, very good game plan from Hasifon. This is another example. In the 10th minute, 24 seconds, ball call wide to Kotoko. This time not Samba. There is an option here in number 6. Immediately the ball goes to Kotoko player. Clear option here. Same committing a pass. He doesn't take that pass. Or sign it. Now or the ball not connect straight. When they come on the goalkeeper in Kamara. Several times. Kotoko were doing that. Only this time. And as somebody else or ball past the future. So it was clear. And when these things began to happen, not has any dominance, no. Rich, me Kokodru baby, omunya a free kick, knowing that they can hit Accra, they can hit Kumasi and Kotoko, no. The job was done. It was the 10th minute don't see balls are passed over. 3 minutes after that, Hasofo gets a free kick in this area. One of the things that Obia only hearts about this season will tell you about the Ghana Premier League almost set piece. Almost 3 set piece routines. 3. First one, say Obo Amanako far post ha. Nipa no bo either Kakari or Wayo or whoever. Obeso Nikotoge. I'm telling Ghana Premier League teams. Ball they go wide. Far post. Say Obo na se ball number be see Fifi ya. Obe peja ne samienu. Ubizas players obviously they be almost a sense. That's what they do. They raise 2 of their hands. Now, in the video nature, before this kick, Amankwa was called by the technical team. Say, Ombra bench on him. Or call bench on him. In my opinion, maybe they didn't want to do their signature language because already that has been done here. Has added 3 players. Esibe, Adamu, and I think Muhammad Ali. And the Babi is in an offside position. Into Rich. You can see the Hasa in an offside position. 3 players. Yeah. And they spoke about it in the post match. Sure. Rich. The plan was the ball to go into the 6-yard box, central area. So they didn't go to the far post. Omni said there, Kotoko center backs no backtrack. I don't think so it was intentional. The header was not a perfect header. I think so it was a header. And Babi see it so. I know flecky. And or backtracking or flecky. Of course, the goalkeeper had come out. I have a problem with Kamara's starting position. Yeah, because the starting position appeared as if he was confident or a jibbo on if it took Kamara or say it was almost the edge of the 6-yard box. It appeared says he a bobo on a bar, but he didn't come. Immediately the ball came back to him. See, where Jaiba. And once the ball got flicked over him, he couldn't do anything about it. Which said, only be able, sir. Style of play this say. Now Obo 4-3-3. Now Obo 4-2-3-1. Now I say on pressing with 2 center backs no. Or more 2 aggressive. Nipo obe pressing the pet aggressively. Hey somebody do Ghana new because Nipo no need ball no ball. Say other 2 center backs Henry Ansu inside the campo na on pressing Henry Ansu. Ekwa say do on pressing no. Eba anwa on pressing no. Because when you say the number 6 and 8 will not show up to receive the ball, and you said before Breaker said Jewu was good because Jewu was the only Kotoko player who received to take the ball 10 and play forward. Obiati Walid Nhyira, he was hiding. He could not really see his impact on the game. And because of that, Kotoko front 3 Dogo, Amoa. Almost everybody was playing after Kotoko is dominating players. And it's Aka. These are all dominating. It will no longer ball in Kotoko. You need to put the ball down. Force them to even come out. Let the fullbacks go and do the high and wide job. No more Fifi body more.
Now do you know?
Force upon to get a yellow card. Force Amankwa to get a yellow card. Of course, Amankwa a red card if you. Force them to get cautions out park in Fifi. Once you do, you dominate the game. Which once that did not happen, now has if only big first goal. They knew that baby are no more Kotoko. No more some no more head to a results every match. They had gotten everything they were looking for. They had gotten a team only demoralized. Team only too confident because of issues of the pitch. team omo ball park so crown because of our fans near the team they are going too long. Rich, Mimi Huni said the red card was a good thing for House of Folk.
Me catch the hands in
Emma gave me easy.
Me catch the hands.
Because born any ever say babebo. And I will too confident. Any show, any red card. So they will leave the ball for you.
Oh, they have second half now.
But
you manage the game, you fair points in the
ball. In the second half, they sat back and allow Kotoko.
Because maybe as a house at the 11 year.
Yeah.
Obviously, maybe a second half, I'm transform the people.
Then if you are bonus, then you're in trouble. It's even then. You could see say that Hearts of Folk for Kotoko for still were going long. Which for me, the game Didi Dramani won it on the tactical board.
Okay.
Kotoko have better players than Hearts. But when it comes to the tactical acumen on the night, if you are judging by that,
supporters now can say a coaching.
Oh, yesterday Hearts were a better organized side on the day.
Okay.
And I mean, I don't just say Kotoko don't have a good coach, but Hearts were a better organized side on the day. And you have to give credit to them.
That's it. And maybe a lines in Mama.